Fill in the missing letters and color them. L-I-O-N, lion. T-I-G-E-R, tiger. B-E-A-R, bear. F-O-X, fox. M-O-N-K-E-Y, monkey. C-A-M-E-L, camel.
If you enjoyed the video, please like and share it with your friends. Do not forget to click the bell icon to subscribe for more such fun learning videos.